Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing for you and I've got a limited edition cult beauty box. This is the Lipedit. Inside contains 5 full-size lip products that has a value of over £80 and this box retails for £23. Now if you use code U15 that would entitle you to receive a bit of a discount, 15% off the purchase. It worked for me, but I will pop it down below in my description as well as links to this box and any other offers Cult Beauty have running on their website down below in my description, so if you're interested you can take a look there, but hopefully that code still works if you're interested in getting this for yourself. Whether they're the finishing touch to a full face look or the one thing you enhance before you're out of the door, your lips can make a statement. Filled with 5 full-size heroes, they said it has everything you need to prime, nourish and paint your pout to perfection. Read our lips, a kissable smooth finish awaits you. I haven't had a look inside yet, so I'm excited to see what's in here. Although I know what's in here, but actually see them in real life as opposed to online. They're in there. First up, we got a lipstick from Hourglass. This is Confession Ultra Slim High Intensity Refillable Lipstick in shade I Am. And this lipstick retails for £35. I love the design. I love the bullet design. That's very smart. Lift up the top there. Oh, that colour is gorgeous. Let's have a look. Ooh, oh, look. That is such a gorgeous berry colour. Oh, that is beautiful. And then you just lift off the top there to buy another refillable. Oh, I really like that. I love that. I'll have a look now to see if we all receive the same shade. It says the ultimate wear anywhere shade I Am is a warm rich pink that can be buffed out for daytime then layered up for a vibrant pop of colour come night. Yeah, we'll all receive the same shade, so there's that. Next we got a Nude Sticks lip and cheek pencil and this is in shade Purity. I got a few different nude sticks and they are great. Really handy. And nice colours as well. Oh, that is beautiful. It's just so creamy. Really creamy. But yeah, these sticks are fab. No need for lip liners or anything like that. Plus, as it says, you can dab a bit on your cheeks if you want to. They retail for £20 and it says on the website, the shade Purity delivers a natural looking brownish pink that promises to sit pretty on every skin tone. Is that? Next up we've got Lano Lips and this is a lemonade scrubber balm. That sounds amazing. Sugar lip scrub and balm and this retails for £13 and I'm assuming it's lemons. I'll just be licking my lips constantly. Ooh, what on earth? This is really weird. Really weird. It's like it's evaporated. It smells amazing. Oh my word, it just smells of like lemon curd. Hopefully you can see in there. You can see that there's a little bit in there. But then, look. That might be a little harder to see in there. But it isn't, but it's not in there. That is crazy. Absolutely crazy. Sometimes, you know, I've lifted off lids and the top of a lipstick has got stuck in the lid there, but not completely disappeared. I don't get that at all. It hasn't like leaked anywhere. I'm gonna have to get in touch with Cult Beauty because I really like this. I love the smell and I was really excited about that. Lemon lip scrub. Oh, gutted. Lemon oil to aid the breakdown and exfoliation of your pucker and finally orange peel to deliver a deliciously juicy taste. Gutted. But I will get onto Cult Beauty to see if they can send me another one. Next we've got a patch from Patchology. This is a lip mask. This retails for £3. It says here, place lip gel onto clean dry lips for 5 minutes longer if desired. Discard after use and massage any remaining serum in around the lip area. There's that. And then lastly, we've got a lip brush by Eddie London and this retails for £11.99. I haven't heard of this brand before. Have you? If you have, please let me know what you think of it and what you think of the brand. Ooh, this is rather smart looking. It's like a little pencil. There's a little lip brush there with its case. I like that. So if you're in a hurry or you're out and about and you can't clean your lip brush afterwards, then yeah, you pop it in its own little case and then it's fine then until you wash it. So yeah, so those are all the products inside this Cult Beauty, the Lipedit. The cost of the box is £23 and it has a value of over £80. It contains 5 full-size beauty products. Unfortunately, as you've just seen, one of them, the lip scrub, is evaporated. I can't describe it any differently. Hopefully that won't happen to you, but if you have ordered this box, please let me know if you had one intact, because anyone watching this video thinking, oh, I'll get that box, but then seeing in my lip scrub might be like, no, I don't want it now. But if you have bought this box and yours was fine, then please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.